Right now, our top story at 10. A Phoenix police officer accused of threatening to shoot Mayor Gallego. He will not be charged.
The Maricopa County Attorney's Office announcing that decision months after this investigation got underway. And ABC 15's Nicole Valdez is live for us tonight.
Nicole, the reaction you're hearing is pretty mixed.
Yeah, you've got a lot of people who aren't exactly surprised by this decision for different reasons. There are those who agree with the county attorney's office and aren't sure whether these words necessarily reach the level of a crime. But there are others who say civilians have been charged for saying much less. The words of any law enforcement officer can weigh heavy.
What the officer said was not only wrong, it was reprehensible.
Phoenix police officer Stephen Polis put on administrative leave, accused of saying, if the mayor defunds the police, I'll shoot her, in a room full of fellow officers. And after some tried to brush it off as a joke, he responded with, that's a promise. An inexcusable statement, according to the Maricopa County Attorney's Office, yet the agency declining to file charges.
When prosecutors look at cases, it's not what they think, but what they can prove to a jury.
Former prosecutor, now turned defense attorney Jason Lambs represented officers in the Valley before. According to Arizona state statute, words alone can threaten or intimidate someone, but Lambs says the key word in this case is if.
In this case, the statement that the officer made, if the mayor defunds the police, that's a conditional threat. So his threat was conditioned upon her act in the future. That really doesn't represent a crime.
According to the mayor's office, Mayor Gallego is disappointed in the county attorney's office decision, adding she hopes it won't discourage anyone from reporting a threat. It's important to speak up, be heard, and be taken seriously. But other Valley attorneys sounding the alarm on inconsistencies. Maricopa County Public Defender Catherine Gibson tweeting, they love to charge folks with Class 3 threatening and intimidation for what they say are true threats, but are way less threatening than what Officer Polis said.
Other cases may or may not have the same facts. They need to be looked at on an individual basis. He will likely be disciplined, and that could mean the loss of his employment. But that's a very different issue than the filing of criminal charges.
And Maricopa County Attorney Alistair Riddell actually not involved in making this decision. She is still recovering from a brain injury she suffered in November. Her office telling me multiple other prosecutors within the office discussed and helped make this decision. And actually, Deputy Chief Ken Vick, now running the office in Adele's absence, finally was the one to sign off on it. Live in downtown Phoenix tonight, Nicole Valdez, ABC 15, Arizona.